To get started with PayPal, first create an account by going to the PayPal website and clicking on Sign Up. You will need to provide some basic information such as your name, email address, and password. Once you have created your account, you will need to link a payment method, such as a credit or debit card, or your bank account. After linking a payment method, you will need to verify your account by confirming your email address and phone number. This is a security measure to protect your account from unauthorized access. Once your account is verified, you can start using PayPal to make payments online. To make a payment, simply log into your PayPal account and click on the Send and Request button. Enter the recipient's email address or phone number and the amount you want to send. You can also add a note to the payment if you want to. PayPal also offers a range of features to help you manage your account and keep track of your payments. You can view your transaction history, check your balance, and set up payment reminders. You can also use PayPal to receive payments from others, such as friends or clients. When receiving payments, you can choose to have the funds transferred directly to your bank account or kept in your PayPal balance. You can also use PayPal to make purchases online, such as buying products from online stores or paying for services. To use PayPal for online shopping, simply look for the PayPal button at checkout. Click on the button and log in to your PayPal account to complete the payment. PayPal will then transfer the funds to the seller, and you will receive a confirmation email once the payment has been made. It is also important to keep your PayPal account secure by using a strong password and keeping your account information up to date. You should also be careful when making payments online, and only send money to people or businesses you trust. Overall, PayPal is a convenient and secure way to make payments online. By following these steps and using PayPal's features, you can easily manage your account and make payments with confidence.